Good morning, guys. It's July 9th. It's almost 5 o'clock, Thursday. I recorded a video this morning, but, you know, I, I got kind of caught up this morning doing some stuff around the house, and I was just going to edit it a while ago, and I kind of realized that, I don't know, it was the volume of it wasn't too good. I don't know if it was speaking really uh, low this morning, or it was because of my mic. I had on a weird setting. But today, this morning, so I woke up at 6 o'clock, like usual. Nothing at 6 o'clock, like nothing moved at 4 a.m. when it's when pre-market opens, and around 7:30, 7 o'clock, we see VRAX popping in the scanners. Um, so VRAX was a U.S. company. Well, actually, not U.S. company. It was actually a U.K. company on the biotech industry, and it has some headlines this morning, and ended up, going from $3 to like 11, $12. So it ended up, doing a 245% change to the pre-market. I think during aftermarket open, it went all the way down to right now it's trading at $5.45. So it kind of went down after pre-market. But the thing with VRAX, I wanted to trade it. I was actually ready to punch my position, to jump on the squeeze, and if I would have punched it, I would have made some profit, which kind of upsets me. But um, ended up not working out because VRAX was not tradable on Schwab. As you know, Schwab is the broker that I use, and it's not. Sometimes it doesn't let you trade some securities. So VRAX was one of them today, and it didn't let me, do any positions on it. So I couldn't trade VRAX on my Schwab account. Uh, I could have done it on my Webull, yes, but I'm holding some other positions like long term. Kind of did a little switch on my Webull account, so I'm waiting to kind of fund it a little more. So I kind of let the money that I have there just not to be just money sitting. I put it on some options like SPY and QQQ, and it's doing pretty good today. It's up 2%, almost 2%. So, um, on the other hand, my Schwab account is down $50, I think, today. Um, so since I couldn't trade BRAX, it almost for 10 minutes for until 8 o'clock. It was almost going to be a no trade day, but TR and R shows on the scanner doing a squeeze from $2 to 4, then 4.50, and I take a quick look at it. I like the flow. I like the volume. I like how the news and everything. So it had like hit news. So the setup was perfect. Like the setup was for it to squeeze, 4.55, 5.50, all the way to $6, $7. Anyhow, um, so ended up taking a 50 share position on it, and I was hoping to get $2 for every position, so $100. So, I set up for the day since I didn't take no trades today. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna set a stop loss of $1, and stop profit $2. So risk $1 to make two. So ended up putting 50 shares on it, and ended up flushing a whole dollar. So um got out, and down $50 on the Schwab account today. So um Yeah, really disappointed about TR and R, and I'm really disappointed that I wanted to, and I could have be green today if I would have traded VRAX on my Schwab account. But really upset that I couldn't do it. Um, but it should have been a no trade day after I realized I couldn't trade it. And TRNR, honestly, yeah, it was a good stock. It had a good setup, but at the end of the day, I was kind of a little frustrated already for BRAX that I couldn't trade it, so I kind of fell on the feeling that I needed to trade something today. And at the end of the day, that's something that it can either kill you like it did me today, and you know just basically affect you psychologically in taking a trade. So I took a trade and I lost money on it. So being that said, that's what happened today. So tomorrow, Friday, game plan for tomorrow. If market this whole week has been slow, if market pre-market tomorrow is slow as well, like around I wake up at 6, so if I don't see anything 7, 8 o'clock, probably will be a no trade day. Usually because, as I mentioned before, Friday I tend to have red days, and on the past, not every Friday, but most of Fridays, and not just me, but a lot of people. And because it's the end of the week, everybody wants to go home, so a lot of traded retails they just don't. There's not enough volume to supply the demand. Um, so Friday tends to be a bad day for traders. So um, we'll see what's tomorrow. What is for to trade tomorrow, and if it's nothing, probably gonna be it's going to be a no trade day. And if something comes up, hopefully it's tradable on Schwab, on like BRAX today. And if not, I mean, hopefully we we'll see what next week brings. Hopefully, next week is a lot better. I'm really hoping, because I mean this whole week has been horrible, as you can tell. So just overall, uh, thank you again, guys, for watching, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.